Hello, welcome to 3D Tech Adda. In this tutorial, you will learn how to make a soda can from a very beginning with best topology and subdivision ready model. Okay guys, first of all, I'll just take my reference images. Okay, so I'll take my side image first of all because I'll model first side image and I'll scale it little bit like that. Okay, and I'll reduce the opacity to 0.5 because this is suitable for me. You can change the value according to you. Okay, now I will just roughly align to y-axis like that. Okay, and now I'll just put it into a collection and that name will be reference image. Okay, and I'll just remove this selectable option from here so that it's not selected by mistakenly and I can model it accurately. So for that shape I will add a cylinder, okay, with 32 vertices, and now I will scale it to the size of this one and like that, align this to the reference image. Now I will select these bottom vertices and extrude it in Z axis like that, and for making this curvature I will scale it like that, extrude it in Z axis to make another and scale it like that, and I will add some loop cuts here to make more geometry because these long faces are stretchable, so I need a even geometry. Okay, now for making this part, this bottom part, I will just extrude and scale like that and GZ it little bit. Okay, again extrude, scale and GZ like that. Okay, and I will delete this face and go in edge mode and grid fill, Control F. Now you can set the span and offset value to adjust your grid. Okay, yeah, now this is good for me. Now I will just shift this reference image to x-axis so that it will not disturb. Okay, so again I enable and select this and G axis. Okay, and for this render I will put it into another collection. Yeah, this will be in the reference image folder. Okay, and now I will deselect that, again select that and push it little bit more. Yeah, now we'll make this part of the scan, and now I will go in edge mode, in vertex mode, and select these vertices and grab that to Z axis like that and extrude it till here to make this shape. Yeah, and scale in, again extrude and Z axis. Yeah, okay, like that, and now I will add some loop cut here and I will just bevel this like that with one segment. Yeah, now selected these faces, I will press Alt E and extrude faces along normals like this. Yeah, and now I'll select these edges and bevel it like that. Okay, to reduce the sharpness, and now I will select this face and insert it little bit like that. Okay, And now we have modeled a side view, you can see. Yeah, we have modeled a side view. We'll take care of these sharpness edges. Okay, we'll select this and bevel it like that. Okay, select this, bevel it like that, and also for this. Yeah, so it's looking nice now. And when we apply a subdivision surface modifier to see how it's working, so you can see I have applied subdivision surface with 2 value. Okay, so it's looking like that. So now you can see we have to make this sharp edges here. Yeah, you can add crease also by pressing Shift T like that. Yeah, like that, so it will remain sharp while applying subdivision surface. Yeah, that color is changed. You can see pink color already here. Why? Because we have applied crease. Okay, so that this will not affect and it's remains same like that. Okay, and now this is looking good. And now for making this, you can see this crease value this crease value you can see here in items, mean crease value 1. Yeah, so you can control this value also from here like that. Yeah, so I'll put it to 1 maximum value. Okay, yeah, now we have to model upper part of this can. So for that part I will do, I'll just add, I'll go in top orthographic view and add my reference image for top view. Yeah, and align it to my model like that roughly, and shift it to Z axis like that. Yeah, align it until align it like that. Yeah, okay, yes. And now I'll again reduce the opacity to 0.5 and put it into reference image collection. And deselect the selectable option. Okay, so now, and we have to model this one, 1 2 3 4. Okay, these type shapes we have to make. So now I'll just select this edge loop and select this face first. Yeah, this face, and delete, press X and delete. And now I'll select this edge loop and select this edge loop. Yeah, I'll just turn off subdivision surface modifier. Yeah, for meanwhile. Now we have to model these type shapes. So for that I have to hide this bottom part. So I'll just select this edge loop and press Shift H. Okay, and now I will model this part, continue modeling. So I'll just extrude ES, again ES, extrude scale, extrude scale, extrude scale, and extrude scale like that. So I have modeled this thing, and now I have to just select these faces, and Alt S and down a little bit like that. Yeah, and for these faces I have to press Alt S like that. Yes, yeah, so this is upper part is selected, and I'll just select this edge loop and Alt S and down a little bit like that. to match the reference image. Yeah, okay, now it's matching roughly. And now I have to make this part. Yeah, now I have to make this part. So for this I'll just add a circle. Okay, and for making this also I will add a circle. For this also I will add a circle. For this also I will add a circle. Okay, and for this making this I will insert these faces. Okay, so let's get started. If you have any problem till now, you can comment me and ask me. Okay, yeah, so now for that I'll select this edge loop and duplicate it by pressing Shift D and confirm its position by right click and separate it by selection. Okay, and now I will just hide this one also, and now we'll work on this thing. And now for matching this one, scale it to x-axis like that, and I will cut half of vertices of this circle and add a mirror modifier on it, so it will work on another part, and allow clipping also. Okay, yeah, okay, now I will turn on my proportional editing and match the reference image roughly. Now I'll turn off my proportional editing and select these. There is a cut like that, this shape. So for that I will extrude and right click to confirm its position, and now I will press Alt S, yeah, like that, to confirm its position. Okay, and now I will select these edges that is already selected and press F to fill. And now we have to make this shape. So for making this shape I will insert, but while inserting you can see there are two faces have been created. So for that I will apply a mirror modifier. Okay, and now this is one face, and I will insert like that to make this face. Again I will insert like that, yeah, to make another reference image cutouts. Okay, so again I will delete these faces and apply mirror modifier, allow clipping also. Okay, now I will, for making this shape, I will extrude these vertices like that. Okay, and now for making this shape I have to insert this. So for that I will delete this face. Okay, so now I will fill this. Okay, add 3 loop cuts and subdivide, merge at last. Okay, to ensure all to be quartz. Yeah, I'll change the reflow. So for ensuring all quartz, yeah, I have add one to cut here, okay, because one triangles. And now for this I'll just add first, and now it's okay. Okay, so now all quartz, and now for I'll select this and fill F. Okay, now for making this shape I have to insert, but again two faces have been created, so I have to apply mirror modifier, and now I will insert to match the first, again insert to match this shape. Okay, and now I will again insert it, but first I will turn on proportional editing. To make this shape like that. Okay, turn on, turn off, and now this will be shifted here. Yeah, align it to the reference image. Okay, yeah, now I will select this and again insert it. Like that, and I'll push it down a little bit like that, and delete this face. Okay, I'll fill here, grid fill to maintain our topology. You can adjust it by this value. So now it's looking good for me. Okay, so now we have made this part. You can see here. Yeah, I'll apply a subdivision surface modifier to see how it look like. So I'll turn on this modifier, and you can see here. Yeah, so you can add a loop cut also here. Slide it GG like that. Okay, so this is looking good. Yeah, so now I'll again turn off this modifier to work on another shape. So now we have to make this shape also. So for that I will just hide this and add another circle. So go in mesh circle, and I will add a 16 vertices circle. Yeah, and scale it down like that to match this shape in the part. And I duplicate it, I'll put it here, and I'll scale it like that, y gy like that. Yeah, yes, yes. And now I'll go in edge mode and select this. Okay, and now for making this long circle shape, I'll just again duplicate this circle and put it here, scale it like that, gy. Yeah, and match it to it like that. Yeah, okay. And now I'll select these and delete, and for this I'll select the circle, duplicate it, and y-axis scale it gy. Yeah, select this and scale it like that. This one, yeah, and I'll select these vertices and delete it. Okay, so for making this I'll extrude and y-axis scale it down like that, and extrude y-axis like that, scale it, and we'll merge it at center, merge it to center. Okay, yeah, yes. Now I'll go in edge mode, select this, fill F. Yeah, from here also F. From here to here, select F. From here F. I'll add a loop cut here like that. Yeah, now I will fill this one like that, and like that, all parts. Now here again, here and fill this. This will fill like that. To ensure all to be quartz. Now all is quartz, and now looking good. Okay, so now you can see these color are different, so it means face orientation is not good of these faces. So for that we have to select all and check the face orientation. So these are red, sol, and press shift N to recalculate normals, and now it's okay. Yeah, now you can turn off the face orientation. Now it's looking good. Yeah, so now again we'll make this thing. So I'll select this one and extrude in Z axis, extrude Z axis like that. Yeah, and add a loop cut here also. Yeah, and now select this and scale it like that. But I will just make sure your pivot point should be individual origin, and now scale it like that. Yeah, okay. Now, okay, so now for making this surface, this type of surface, we'll extrude, we'll select these edges. Yeah, and extrude in y-axis, scale it like that, CY. Yeah, add a loop cut here and add another loop cut, GGS. C. Yeah. Okay, and now for making, select and this makes it to the reference. Now for making this, I'll again duplicate this one and scale it like that. Okay, push it down. And now I will join this to this one, last this to this one, attempt test. Okay, and now I'll select these and X vertices, delete. Okay, to make like this shape. Yeah, to make this shape. And now I'll select this one, this hole, and extrude scale like that. Extrude scale GZ. Yeah, okay. So now we have made this shape also. And now when you apply a subdivision surface modifier on it, it looks good. Wow, good topology we have created. And now I'll just remove subdivision surface modifier from it. And now I'll again take my pictures, whole pictures, and this I have made there. So I'll select this one, put it to up like that. Okay, yeah, and yes, and I'll rotate it like that. Now push it up. Yeah, okay, push it down like that. Okay, so now we have created a nice cutout. You can see, guys. Yeah, we have created this shape, but on this we have to create this one also. So for making this cut shape on this flat surface, we'll just select all the faces like that. Yes, and insert it like this. And now we'll add a loop cut here, Control R like that. And now I will just push it down. Yes, okay. And now if you turn on the modifier, and you can see here this nice shape has been created. Okay, so now we'll model this part. Now I don't need that reference image, so I'll turn off the collection. Okay, so now I'll select both of them, go in edit mode and push in y-axis like that, and scale it down like that. Yes, yes, okay. Now I will join this one, and for somehow I will just again select both and upward like that. Okay, make them upward. Yes, you can see like that. Now I will just join both of them by Ctrl J, and now I will go in edit mode and select this is and this is, and now F to fill. And now I will be continue filling like that. Yes, like that, like that. All should be quad. Will ensure to maintain all quad geometry. Yes, wow, nice filling. And now I'll add a loop cut here. Yes, because here faces are stressing much more, so that's why I have added. And now you can see, guys, if I'm turning on this modifier, you can see this nice scan. And I'll join them to this one, Ctrl J, and now you can see here also modifier applied, but here some thickness I have to add. So just let's turn off this modifier and select this by pressing L, P to separate, and go in edit mode and select here this is loop and extrude it in Z axis like that, and cut a loop cut here. Yeah, scale it out like that. Yeah, now it's looking good. And now I'll again Ctrl J with this, and now I'm turning off modifier. It's looking better. Yeah, yes. So now this our model is ready now, guys. You can see here. And for adding some topology issues also, you can see like I have to just for this is, yeah, yes. So now our can model is ready with best quad topology, guys. You can see we have modeled this type of can. Yes, yeah, oh, ensuring good geometry. Yes, all quad geometry. So guys, like that you can also make the soda can or any Pepsi can. Okay, the procedure will remain same. You have to just make sure that there will be no overlapping vertices, edges and faces, and you have to try to maintain all quad geometry so that when you apply a subdivision surface modifier, it will not affect much more and your geometry look like a clean geometry. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you learn something from this tutorial, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more videos on hard surface modeling with best topology. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this tutorial.